Melissa, and we are doing a spa day weekend fun. And I am just doing this all up for her special. So it is, what we're going to be trying is this spa mask. So it's sparkly and fun. Spascriptions Superstar, because Melissa is a superstar, aren't you? Yes, you are. You're a superstar. This is her second debut on YouTube. If you want to see my daughter again, you can see her on the chocolate chip cookie shampoo. We're also going to be trying out this product. So these are demos. Okay, so I'm going to put on my glasses so I can read all of this and let my little girl be the star of the show. So first, Melissa, I'm going to take these cleansing facial towels, and they are exfoliating. And they're made with cucumber, chamomile, and vitamin E. Now, this is a really good idea for a DIY, so I will be showing you how to make these, if you're interested. Yeah. Okay, there we go. So just make sure we're really gentle around the eye areas. Ready to open this up. Now it says Spascriptions Superstar Glitter Mask. Spascriptions Superstar Glitter Peel Off Mask is a gel-based mask that reaches deep within the pores to dissolve and dislodge the buildup of impurities. This could be good for your nose. You got a little tiny, tiny blemish on your nose. Now there is water, alcohol, polyvinyl alcohol glycerol, polyvinyl chloride, polyethylene terephthalate, niacinamide, Pannonia albularol root extract, Centilla alistitica extract, Boswellia serrated resin extract, sodium hydroronate, PEG 400, sodium carrageenan, that's seaweed, we know what that is, polyoxyl ethanol, charcoal powder, again, another easy one, PEG 40, hydrogenated castor oil, another easy one, parfum, carbomer, triethylamine, and dizolodinylurea. All right, so they say it is pH balanced, paraben free, no SLS, not tested on animals. All right, so we need to thoroughly clean and dry our face, which we have just done, and men need to make sure to shave first. We recommend doing a patch test, so let's do that first. So you can see what a patch test is, because that's something that I recommend with all of my products as well. Now, after the patch test, we're to spread it evenly over the face, avoiding the eyes, hairline, and lips. Wear the mask until completely dry. This may take 20 to 30 minutes, which we will fast forward through, right, Melissa? You can just watch, giggle as it dries. We'll put in some nice music. You can help me pick out the music? Yeah? Okay, refrain from using if you have sensitive skin or are allergic to any ingredients listed on the ingredient panel. Recommended usage once a week. And it comes with a brush with a silicone tip, so it should be work really good, it says. It says there's no mess precision. So we're going to be able to avoid all those areas. And it's only to be used on the outside of your body. So avoid contact with your eyes. And standard cautionary warnings. Okay. So those are the instructions. Okay. And here's the product again. So let's get started. We are going to do a patch test first. Yeah. Excited, aren't you? My little superstar girl. Remember to swallow your best, okay, honey bunny? If you swallow, then it won't get wet again. Otherwise, it'll get wet. And it won't dry properly on the bottom half of your face. You want it to dry right, so you've got to swallow. Just for a little while. Later, if it becomes a problem, then, you know, go back to what you have to do. But you got to do what you got to do. No pressure. No pressure. All right, so here it is out of the box. And here's our applicator. And she is so ready. So to do a test patch, we're going to take a wee little bit like that. This is a really different kind of structure. And we're going to put it right here on our inner arm. We're just going to do a spatch like that. So we'll let that dry, and you guys can watch it dry. Can you hold up your arm a little bit? Just rest it right there. Yeah, just wave it around every once in a while. Dry it off. There you go. You do it yourself. You see the stars? What do you think of that, Melissa? Is that pretty fun? So far, so good? So far, so good? Yeah? You think so? Awesome sauce. Well, while that's drying and we're checking for problems, let's get your hat on. Get your turban on. Let's see if we can figure this out. All right. So this might be hard. So what you do, I need you to lean forward, Melissa. Can you lean forward? Then twist it. Oops, got all those curly bits. Twist it. Twist it. And secure. I don't know if it stays or not. We'll see. We have dry hair, so this probably isn't a true the best kind of test. But is that okay, Melissa? What do you think? Is that going to work? Can you be able to leave it on? I don't know if it's helping much at all. Okay, let's see how this is doing. 20 minutes. Go ahead and wave at the camera while it waves. So I'm going to pause it while it dries. Okay, Melissa? So you don't have to entertain them for so long. Okay, so she got tired of the hot thing, but we're going to try to peel this. You ready, Melissa? Looks good so far. See if I can get it going. It'll come off in a one piece. Look at that, beautifully exfoliated arms. And it's sparkly. This is like a sunburn. You like that? It's going to be okay if we put this on your face next? Okay, so we don't see any redness, so she's good to go. We're just going to wipe the rest of this off gently. So you don't have glitter all over your arms all day. Let's see if this one will peel. If it's really thin, it doesn't seem to peel very good. So we're just going to see if we can rub it off. Now it's looking red, but that's from the rubbing. Alright, we'll go back to exfoliating. Wiping. Wiping. I don't know, there's lots of glitter there. It's going to be fun though. Any glitter that doesn't come off right away, it will eventually. Maybe. It doesn't want to come off. So, just so you know, it may be glittery on your face for the day.